Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the Netgear Nighthawk RS700S, Netgear's first foray into Wi-Fi 7 technology. Let's see if this towering router lives up to the hype. Now, right off the bat, you can't ignore the imposing presence of the Nighthawk RS700S. Its tower design is a refreshing departure from the usual router aesthetics we're used to. Standing at 282 mm tall, it's like the monolith from 2001. A space odyssey made its way into our homes. The design isn't just for show, though. Those blinking LEDs on the front panel give you instant feedback on your connections. While the tall form factor and 8 internal antennas promise a 360-degree reach of up to 3,500 square feet. Impressive, right? But what about under the hood? Well, the RS700S doesn't disappoint. With a quad-core processor clocked at 2.6 GHz, 2 GB of memory, and 512 MB of internal storage, this router means serious business. Setting up the RS700S is a breeze thanks to the intuitive Nighthawk app. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, you'll appreciate features like Smart Connect, which optimizes your connections for the best performance. Now, let's talk performance. With Wi-Fi 7's blazing speeds of up to 19 gigabits per second across its tri-band setup, the RS700S leaves previous generations of routers in the dust. Even in real-world tests, it consistently outperforms with speeds that'll make your head spin. With the ability to connect up to 200 devices simultaneously, the RS700S is perfect for homes or offices with a multitude of smart devices hungry for bandwidth. Of course, all this power comes at a price. And I'm not just talking about the hefty upfront cost. Netgear's Armor security service, included for the first 12 months, will set you back an additional fee after that. So, should you invest in the Netgear Nighthawk RS700S? If you're an early adopter hungry for the latest tech and have a smart home or office to match, then absolutely. But if you're on a tight budget or don't see the need for Wi-Fi 7 just yet, you might want to hold off. And there you have it, folks. That's our take on the Netgear Nighthawk RS700S. Be sure to smash that like button if you found this review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Stay connected.